What's up, guys? Just coming up with another video. I want to show you guys this project that we're working on. We're going to be restoring this Chimes Tower and pretty much getting all this wood that has 100-year-old paint on it removed. We're just testing different styles of ways of doing it. We're looking at it from a point of view where if we can use grinders with vacuums attached to them, or we could use a chemical stripper, something that'll prevent any lead or contaminants from the wood or the paint, I should say, going into the air. Um, since there's gonna be spots, there's been a lot of replacement wood on this old Chimes Tower that doesn't really have a lead paint; it just has water-based paints. So we're looking at it, what's gonna be faster for it. Other than that, we're going to use strippers, grinders, orbitals. We're looking at it, trying to see what's best and what's faster. Uh, we're also going to be restoring chimes, those metal pieces that you saw in the beginning. Whenever the chime rings off, it'll that will hold the sound and make it so that the sound only lasts maybe 5 seconds instead of instead of having it keep ringing and ringing. So right here we're just using the orbital. Once we get a good feel of how we're gonna do it, I'll be sure to keep you guys updated. Right now, we're just working on 3 pieces of wood, trying to make it look as best as we can, and we're gonna decide whether they want to go with a clear coat, a stain, or have it finished with paint. Or if maybe they want to go with a little bit something more durable, we can go ahead and use some sort of epoxy or something that can make this last longer because this Chimes Tower is right next to the ocean, so it's constantly getting beat by the sun, the water, the salt, and that makes it hard for anything to last out there. So right now we're just trying to get the people that are going to look at this a good idea how their project is going to be, and based on what they choose, then that's when we'll finally start setting up our whole equipment up, our shop, our tools. And if they end up thinking that this project is going to be a little bit more expensive, well, I guess they won't have the company that I work for, uh, pat they won't get the bid. So um, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to show you guys the result of how it looks like, and you're going to see how clean it looks. Now we still got to give it an orbital finish, but as far as you guys can see, this is pretty smooth. If you compare it to the old paint that it had, this is a very old building, and we're going to be restoring those metal pieces that I mentioned. If you look at them, and you'll see the first one, that's how they come out looking after a while, after we're done with the process. But yeah, guys, in the meantime, I'm going to be making more videos of the C30, the C10, the electrical. I did get more comments on different trades. I will be doing them as well, but understand that, it takes a good amount of my time. Sorry, it takes a good amount of my time to make those videos. I gotta transfer everything by hand onto my computer. I gotta make sure I get information that is correct, that isn't being copied from someone else. Then I gotta convert it into a video format, to a PowerPoint format, and edit it, then upload it. And, it takes a while. So, bear with me, and I'll eventually get to all the videos. All right, I'll catch you guys later.